Hello everyone, welcome again to Matrix Engineer. In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate or to write a Python program that display the multiplication table of any number. So let us start by opening our PyCharm Community Edition as ID, Integrated Development Environment ID. This is what you have seen in your last previous video. So let's comment it. For commenting a multiple line, use this. Three double quotes. So now this is how we comment the multiple line. We are going to write a program. So we are going to start by declaring a variable that we need to display. That is going to help us to display the multiplication table of any number. Let's declare a variable, for example, a equal, let us initialize the value of a. Let's use 15. So we will calculate the multiplication table, or we will display the multiplication table of 15 as a number. So what you're going to do now is for declaring a variable that is going to help us to iterate like 12 times as an example. So we have to do like for I in range 1 from 1 up to, for example, 13. This 13 will be excluded. This 13 will be excluded. We will display multiplication table from 1 up to 12. So now we are going to display the output print. So here we're going to use the variable a. Let's put a here, comma. We are going to write a multiplication table to be displayed. Let's use x, capital X. So it is a string. Let's put x, comma here, or we are going to write the variable I also, comma here. We need the equal sign, and it's a string. Have to put inside the double quote, and after that have to put a comma here, and you have to write a variable of a, which is equal to 13. We are going to display the multiplication table of 13 times I. So let's run our program and see the output. Okay. There is some error. How we have to put here range. I'm sorry for forgetting it. Have to put here range. So you see, range from 1 up to 12. So this is a multiplication table of 15. So we are going also to write program that help a user to enter any number he wants to display its multiplication table. So we have to do like this: int for converting a string into a number, int input. So we can ask a user to enter a number you want, for example. So we are going to run the program. You see, the program is asking a user to enter a number he wants or she wants. Let's, as an example, use 6. You see, we display the multiplication table of 6. You can also put any number that you want. You can put here 70. You see it display the multiplication table of 70. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're more interested, do subscribe for running a Python courses with us, Python programming language. Thank you.